The same AI tools that power Nike's marketing and Amazon's ad targeting? Your small business can use them right now, and most of your competitors have no clue. Here's what nobody's telling small business owners. The marketing gap between you and a billion-dollar brand has basically collapsed. The AI tools that used to cost six figures a year to access are now available to anyone with a laptop and a strategy. Content creation, ad targeting, performance analytics, all of it. The question isn't whether the tools exist. The question is why you're still running your marketing like it's 2019. And that answer might sting a little. Let me show you what AI marketing actually looks like for a small business. We're talking captions, blog posts, video scripts, and ad copy, written in your brand voice, at scale, in minutes. Ads that find your exact customer based on real behavioral data, not guesswork. Posts that go live when your audience is most active, not when you finally get a break between jobs. And analytics that tell you what's converting in real time so you stop wasting money. That's not a fantasy. That's Tuesday for businesses that have made the switch. But here's where most small business owners get stuck. There are three traps I see over and over again. Trap number one, you're overpaying a traditional agency. You're locked into a $2,000 to $5,000 monthly retainer for work that AI can do in a fraction of the time at a fraction of the amount. Those agencies built their pricing before AI existed. That world is gone, but they're not going to tell you that. Trap number two, you're doing it all yourself. DIY marketing burns the one resource you can never get back: time. Every hour you spend writing captions or boosting a random Facebook post is an hour you're not serving customers, not closing deals, not building your business. And let's be honest, amateur marketing looks like amateur marketing. It doesn't build trust. It costs you credibility. And trap number three is the most dangerous one of all. Trap three, doing nothing. No marketing, no online presence, no growth strategy. And I get it. You're busy running the business. But silence is not a strategy. While you wait, your competitors are showing up in every feed, every search result, every "who should I call" conversation. Doing nothing is the most expensive choice you can make. Proverbs 21:5 in the Amplified says, "The plans of the diligent lead surely to abundance and advantage, but everyone who acts in haste comes surely to poverty." Diligence isn't just working hard, it's working smart with the tools God puts in your path. Let me paint you a picture. A local barbershop, 4 chairs, 1 owner, no marketing team. They plug into an AI-powered marketing system. Now they've got a consistent social media presence, targeted local ads finding new customers every week, content that actually sounds like them, not some generic agency template. They're running a marketing operation that looks like a company with a $50,000 a month budget. The difference between winning and losing in marketing right now is not your budget. It's whether you're using the tools that are available. Now, you might be thinking, can I just use ChatGPT and Canva myself? You can, but having a tool and having a strategy are two very different things. AI without direction is just noise. What separates businesses that grow from businesses that stay stuck is having a system. Someone who knows how to aim the AI, build the workflow, and make every dollar of your marketing budget actually produce results. That's the difference between owning a hammer and building a house. The playing field has never been more level than it is right now. 5 years ago, you couldn't compete. Today, you can. The only thing standing between your business and the next level is a decision. And that's not a marketing problem. That's a mindset problem. So what are you going to do about it? Look, we just broke down exactly how AI is changing the game for small businesses and why most owners are leaving money on the table. If you're ready to stop guessing and start growing, go to crownmediagroup.co. Book a free strategy session. Let's build a marketing system that actually works for your business. Crown Media Group, we show up so you stand out.